How to locate hard-to-find items at Walmart. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to locate hard-to-find items at Walmart. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Walmart application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Find an Item option and further search for the item. Tap on the item's aisle number to open the store map. Further, view the store map. The item's aisle number and location will be clearly displayed. So, this is how you can locate hard-to-find items at Walmart. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.